Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome to those watching on onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, fond memories and musical tributes in abundance at the Thanksgiving service for the life of the late Dorraine Samuels.
Dorraine Samuels passed away on March 26 after a brief battle with pancreatic cancer. She was 59.
The Thanksgiving service held at the University Chapel at Mona St. Andrew was attended by hundreds of well-wishers, from politicians to ordinary folks, and captured grief and joy in equal measure.
TVJ's Dwayne Anderson tells us more in this primetime report.
For years, she used her words to comfort and reassure Jamaicans. So on Monday, it was Jamaica's time to try to find words to comfort and reassure those who gave her to us. For those whose words failed, they offered hugs, a language only the hurting can understand. Others used song to tear-jerking effect.
And you know, wherever I am, I'll come running to see you again.
Dorraine Samuels began her career at Radio Jamaica on January 5, 1981. During a distinguished career, she picked up numerous awards, including a national honor in 1999, the Order of Distinction for contribution to broadcasting in Jamaica.
We in the RJR Gleaner Communications Group feel a tremendous sense of loss in both our professional and in some staff members' personal lives. For you, therefore, family members, it is known to be greater. Hence, we continue to pray for you and to pray for your strength and healing. Fittingly, on the day that she passed, we in the RJR Gleaner Communications Group were proud to report that our political leaders paused the business of the country, noted her sterling contribution, and paid tribute across the aisle to this outstanding Jamaican lady.
On March 26, 2019, her life ended following a battle with pancreatic cancer. She was 59. She leaves behind 3 children, grandchildren, siblings, and other relatives.
Tagging along just the same to most of the outside broadcasts and radio shows, and to assist in taking care of Morgan. No matter how demanding the work scene got, she made it a point of duty that she would play just as hard as she worked. And as such, many of the out-of-town broadcasts turned into mini vacations. What really stood out that while growing up is we saw that tower of strength, that no matter what came rushing at Mommy, she would always look for a solution.
Among those who said their final farewells on Monday, members of the political directorate, judiciary, businessmen, media and clergy leaders, and just ordinary everyday Jamaicans. No doubt the perfect reminder that her life impacted people of all walks of life. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.